Hi everyone. Welcome today in an additional of today's newspaper on Monday 22nd, June the 22nd, 2020. We have here 6 Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary and a tectonic. But we will start first with the Sudoku with 1 star, and let me count how many digits are printed. 4 digits, 6, 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 4 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 24, 27 numbers are printed. So let's get started with the first Sudoku. Alright. Let me see. In this column, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those numbers are 2 and the 9s. So in this big square, the 2 and the 9 cannot be in these 3 boxes. So the 2 and the 9 goes here. I mark them. It's easier to follow. So the other 3 numbers are 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 1, 4, and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here also 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be here. So we have the 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. The other 3 numbers in this big square are the numbers. 3 is missing, 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 4, 5, 6, the 7 is missing. I see here 7, so the 7, 7, and the 8, 8. Yes, all right. Let me see. 3. Yes, the third row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We see here already a 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then, how about the number? Let me see. 3, the 8, yes. And 8 in this row, and 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. I see here an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. How about the number? 1, 2, and the 9. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the third row. The numbers are 1, 2, and 9. 1, 2, and 9. I see here 2 and a 9. So 1 digit left. That's the digit 1. The 2 and the 9 goes here. The 2 and the 9. How about the number? 6, 6. The 3, the 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the second, in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 1 here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes, so the 1 could be here or could be there. So in the first row, we have 1 of these 2 boxes in the first row, so in the row below the second row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes, so the 8 could be there or could be here. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 in this row. 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. But we see a 7 in the last column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2. The 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2, 9, and 4. I see here 2, 9, so no 2, 9 there. The 2, 9 goes in these 2 boxes. 1 digit left for the 4. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? The 5 and the 4. 5 and the 4, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. A lot of pairs. How about the number 8, 8, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, 6, 6, yes. Here also 6, 6, 6, 6. 2, 9, yes. These 2 numbers, we have also here 2, 9. 2, 9 and a 5. The 5 should be here. 2, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, and a 3, 4 and a 9. All right. Yes, in this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in that box. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So in this column we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In the column next we have a 1 over there. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers plus 1, 2, 9, 5, and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here in these 2 boxes. 3, 2, 9, and the 5. 5 could be everywhere. Let me see. 9, 5, 9, 5, 9, 5. Wow, this one is not easy. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, and here we have no 8s. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. And here can be everywhere the 8. I think I need to mark some boxes. 7, 7, because we have a 7 here and 7 there. How about here? Also 7 here and 7 there. So this cannot be a 7. 1 place left for the 7 should be there. 3 and an 8 we have here. Same like the 8 here. That means the 8 should be here. In the last row, here cannot be an 8. Here cannot be an 8, so one box left for the 8 should be here. 1 and 4 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Here, 1 box left for the 4. 4, 4. We have a 4, 4 here because we have a 4 here, 4 there. These 3 numbers, the 5 are missing. I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 9 is missing. No, 9 can be everywhere. And the 1 is missing. We have a pair, 1 and a 5. No, 1 and a 5 cannot be here. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 digit left for the 9. So in this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5. In these 2 boxes, 1 box left for the 5 should be there. I've marked this box for the 3. 3 goes there. 2 and a 9. Yes. That means 2 and a 9 here. 2 and a 9 here. 1 box left for the 5. The other boxes in this big square are the 2, the 4, and the 9. 2, 4, 9. 2, 4, 9. No, I cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 numbers in this third column? 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have a 9 here, so this should be a 2, and this should be a 9. 2 cannot be in these 3 boxes, so the 2 goes here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 here. This should be a 6. This should be a 3. 4, 4. That means these 2 are the 4s. 5, 4, 4. The 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. 4, 4. 1, 1. 3. So these 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and this should be here. The 2. 7, 4 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We have a 6 here, 6 there. This should be the 6. This should be the 7. This should be the 4. This should be the 5. This should be the 4. 7, 7. That means here 7 or there 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. I've marked this with an 8. This should be an 8. This should be the 4. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and 9 goes there. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. How about these? The 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here. So this should be the 4, and this should be the 2. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 5. No. The 5 and the 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and the 9. We have a 9 here, so this should be the 9. This should be the 2. We have a 9 here, so this should be the 2. This should be the 9. The 4, 4, 4. The 9, 9, 9. And the 2 are left. Yes, finish in 14 minutes. Oh, right. Great Sudoku. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other Sudokus. Thank you, and bye-bye for now.